warning device for station KA28 in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. During potentially dangerous weather situations, section field receivers are automatically activated to warn of the impending hazard. The signal are normally conducted by the National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey, every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. If there is a threat of severe weather during the normal test time, the test will be postponed to the next good weather day. Reception of this broadcast and especially one-to-one talk will vary at some location. This ability is normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter and occurs even though you are using a good quality receiver in perfect working order. The one-to-one phone will be activated for hazardous weather watches and warnings for the following counties and marine areas near the city of Philadelphia, in Pennsylvania, Jersey, Chester, Delaware, Montgomery, and Philadelphia. In New Jersey, Burlington, Kansas, Cumberland, Gloucester, Hunterdon, Mercer, Monmouth, and Salem. In Delaware, Kansas, and Castle, including Upper Delaware Bay. And in Maryland, Diesel, including Chesapeake Bay North, the Full Island. This concludes the weekly test of NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards Station KA28 in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. Thank you for listening to NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards. WRT